for sightseeing.
I hear.
Hear what?
Doctor, my family's on board.
Brilliant. This way.
What's it doing on the Valiant? What the hell's he done?
Don't touch it.
I'm not going to.
What's he done, though? Sounds like it's sick.
It can't be. No, it can't be.
Doctor, what is it?
He's cannibalized the TARDIS.
Is this what I think it is?
It's a paradox machine.
2 minutes, everyone. According to the treaty, all armed personnel are requested to leave the flight deck immediately. Thank you.
Jelly baby.
Broadcasting at 7:58 with the arrival time for 800 hours exactly. And good luck to all of us.
As soon as this hits red, it activates. At this speed, it'll trigger at 2 minutes past 8.
First contact is at 8, then 2 minutes later.
What's it for? What does a paradox machine do?
More important, can you stop it?
Nothing I know what it's doing. Touch the wrong bit, blow up the solar system.
Then we've got to get to the master.
Yeah, how are we gonna stop him?
Oh, I've got a way. Sorry, didn't I mention it?